Hey there, if you want to learn how you can make your sprites walk exactly in this way, then you have come across the right video. Let's start. Okay, so I'll start with a new project. So I'll click on File and New. Okay, creating project. Okay, firstly, I'm going to delete the cat and I'm going to add a walking sprite. So if you are searching for a walking sprite, just search with the keyword walking and you'll get many sprites that has the walking costumes like every walking, bear, giga, pico, and so on. So here I'll be choosing the bear walking. Okay, let's check out the costumes. So just click on the costumes tab and you'll get so many costumes of this bear. Okay, costumes in Scratch doesn't really mean dress costumes, but it means like the position and like how it's changing its position. So if you just click on all the costumes, you can see that if you can make the costumes come one by one, then you can make your sprite walk, right? So let's go to the code block. So firstly, I'll start with the events block and add the when green flag is clicked. Okay, after that I have to make my sprite walk. So in order to do that, come to the looks tab and from here choose next costume. Okay, so you can see if I click on this. Okay, so it looks like the bear is walking. So yes, we are going right, but it's moving in the same position. So in order to make it move across the screen, we need to make it move a few steps, right? Okay, so so if you can see, yes, now it really moves. All right, that's pretty good, but I'm not going to click this button every time, right? So come to the forever block and put this inside this. Okay, so it's good, it's going. But there are so many things that needs to be done over here. Like firstly, let's fix the size of the bear. It's too big. So I'll make it a size 70. That's pretty good. I'll bring it here so that the starting position of the bear is always the left side of the screen. Okay, after that, let's come to backdrop and choose for a nice picture like let's go with the blue sky. So this one is pretty good. All right, so as you can see that if you do this now, okay, so it goes, but there's a problem. The bear is stuck over here. So how to fix that? In order to fix that, what we will be doing is we need to put the if condition over here right after this. Now inside this diamond shape, I'll be choosing something from the operators block. So I'll go with this one. Here, I will check the position of the bear. I mean, I'll check it with the X position because we know that the X position is the horizontal position of the bear, right? Okay, so come to motion block and from here just go down and add the X position inside this. Now check what is the position of the bear right now. Okay, so if you really want the bear to come to this position and then again start over from here, so make sure to make it like check what is the X position. It's 249 over here. You can even make it over here 270. So if the X position is greater than 250, see, if you click over here at this position, it says true. And now just put it inside this and then what will happen? So yes, now we need the bear to come over here. So just drag the bear and slightly like this, like this. Okay, so this should be the position of the bear when it will start over again. All right, so what is the position for that? It's a minus 243 and a minus 105 for the y. All right, so go to x minus 243 and minus 105. All right, so that's perfect. Now what else needs to be done? Whenever the green flag will be clicked, okay, so the bear is really moving very fast. That's good. So I'll stop it over here. And when the green flag will be clicked, I want the position of the bear to be exactly the same as this. So I will again bring this one and just add it after when green flag clicked. And I will also change the positions, like I'll make it a -243 and the y will be a -105, which is correct. Okay, so that's okay. But did you notice that the bear is moving really too fast? That doesn't really look good, right? So I need to control the speed. So come to the control block and make it wait for some seconds, like make it wait for 0.2 seconds. That would be perfect. So right after it changes its costume, it should wait for some time and then it should move to the next position, right? I mean, just click on this and see. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good speed. Okay, so what else can be done is, like, when the bear goes to this end and comes over from the left end of the screen again, I want it to be a different background. So in order to choose a new background, let me just check. I'll go with the forest. I'll add a few more. I'll add the desert. I'll add this jungle. You can add as many backdrops as you want. I'll go with the Jurassic. These are my backdrops. Now click on the backdrops icon over here on the stage, and then only you can get this backdrops icon. Like, if the sprite is selected, you don't get the backdrops. If the backdrop is selected, then you get the backdrops. So see how many backdrops I have selected. But the first one is a blank backdrop. So just cross it out, delete it. We don't want it, right? Now we want the bear to change the backdrop when it goes to this end. So obviously in this if block, I need to add the changing backdrop block. So come to looks and bring next backdrop right after this, or over here, like when the position is greater than 250, or maybe better add it after this. So we need the backdrop to be changed, right? So that's perfect. And one last thing that I would like to implement in this project is that I want to add a sound of the bear. So how can you add the sound? If you go to the sounds block and bring this, then you can see you only have the pop sound. So you go to the sounds block and just bring your mouse pointer over here. Don't click on it, just bring the mouse pointer over here, and then you click on upload sound in order to add a new sound. But before uploading the sound, I will show you from where I have downloaded. So this is the website pixabay.com, from where I have downloaded the bear sound. So see, this is the sound of the bear. Then I also have this one. There's some more. The bear went over the mountain.
The bear went over the mound.
Okay, that's not really a sound. Okay, this one is a bear crawl. Okay, so I'll just download this. Okay, it's downloaded, right? Good. So I'll go back to Scratch, and here now I'll just bring my mouse pointer, click on upload sound, and I will choose for this one. This is the one I previously downloaded. So anyways, I'll go with this one. And the sound is now added, right? So here, if you want, you can rename the sound, remove the extra words, and just keep it as bear growl, right? Okay, and now come to code block, and from here select bear growl. So add it right after this. So when you click on the green flag, the sound comes. That's it. So you can remix this project. I'll share the link to my project in the description below. Remix it, add more characters, or add anything that you want. Let your imagination run, and do share with me, right? Thanks for watching.